Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a beautiful ombre cake with cascade flowers at the top and at the bottom. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So this beautiful cake was a 6-inch cake, and I did my first coat, the crumb coat, pop it in the freezer, and then I went ahead and then tint my buttercream in different shades of pink. So what I do is that I start off with the darkest color first, then I add some white buttercream to it, mix it in, and then it creates my second shade, and then on another bowl add some more white buttercream, and then it creates my third shade of pink. So then when I have my colors, I can go ahead and pipe my cake. So I start with the darkest color at the bottom and work my way up until the top layer is white. And I try to make sure also that they are equal, because I really want that ombre effect from dark to light, but that makes sense, you know, that it's like equal. So what I did is that I piped the darker color, then the second color, the third color, and then I finished with the white. And then I took my spatula and then I just smudged both colors together so that you don't have like that harsh line. It kind of really gives it like a nice flow to it. And then once I have everything looking like a mess, I can go ahead and take my metal scraper, and then I go around and then just smooth everything out until I liked the look. And once I have that, I also place some flowers. I did like at the top and at the bottom, what I did is that I went from big to small and then from small to big, creating that beautiful flower cascade look. And I added some cute little butterflies and the cake topper at the front. Those are from my Etsy shop. You can go ahead and look at my shop. It will be linked also in the description of this video. And that was basically it. Such a beautiful, cute, romantic cake. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.